A bright and beautiful day sa buong world. Ito si G Sharma bringing you the 411 para everyone alam na this. So guys, do things look different to you today? Yes, talagang ibang-iba kasi we're not in Manila, not in the Philippines, but we are here in Dubai. Wonder why? Alika, pasok tayo sa loob at alamin na natin this. I can see some big stars in here. The hottest love team of the Philippines. Kita nyo? Nadine Lustre and James Reid, better known as J-Dean. Bakit kaya sila nandito? I wonder why. Front row president Raymond Francisco is also here, as well as front row CEO Sam Versosa and another big celebrity, Tim Yap, in the house. On here right now with the Park Regis.
Alam mo, may press con ngayon kaya dapat quiet lang tayo.
Sorry.
Kasi it's, Jay Dean is there. Concert. May concert sila, but it's happening tomorrow.
Oh,
Yeah.
so right now this is the restaurant.
Yes. You know, I've been friends with James and Nadine, but I've never really watched them in concert, so I'm looking forward to seeing them here in the concert.
How is it working with Front Row Entertainment and how does it feel that kayo ang pinakaunang napiling international act ng Front Row Entertainment?
We just found out and thank you so much, Front Row.
Ito po kasi ang difference naman nitong Always JD tour namin. Kami talagang hands-on kami with the music, with everything, even with the visuals.
Even my original songs, and we just finished performing this particular concert in the US. I'm singing my original compositions, so I'm so excited for that. And the show is different. It's entirely different. The song choices, everything.
This concert with James Reid, they will touch a lot of people's hearts here sa UAE. And of course, alam naman natin, health, beauty, and wellness, they embody that also. And ang daming following talaga ng J-Dean. Alam mo, grabe. Dito pa lang sa hotel kanina, pagbaba namin, parang halos nagkakagulo na yung mga tao dun sa ano. So, I'm very excited for the first venture ni Front Row International. Always J-Dean.